Hello everybody, greetings from Seven Sense Talent Solutions. So Seven Sense is a private company which has been established in 2010 and has been associated with more than 250 colleges across India as well as more than 350 companies across India. So today we are going to talk about a company job opportunity, that is Yardi Software. Yardi Software is providing the job opportunity for 2021 batch students this time. So moving on further, we have the company profile. So to look into the company profile, Yardi Software is one of the leading company in the market, which is providing the service in real estate industry and also making new software for the investors and all. So now looking at the designation which has been offered by the Yardi is software engineer training. So this is a very good role with a very good salary package, also with 4.5 lakh per annum, and the educational qualification is given as engineers with computer science and IT field. So also they have mentioned 60% throughout academics. So they are telling that 10th, 12th and degree should have 60% at least. So specific requirement what the company is looking for is the communication skills. The candidate must have excellent communication skill with a good knowledge of SQL will be an advantage. So now coming to the roles and responsibilities, Yardi is specifying most of the responsibilities in the software system itself, as the designation itself suggests that this is for the software role. So the candidate must go through everything and like the programming languages, and they have to develop some of the applications and all. So now coming to more information of the job, that is date of joining. So date of joining they have given as July or August 2021. So very good convenient month they have given, as all the 2021 batch would have been fair, would be exams will be finished, and mode of joining is virtual. So due to this pandemic they have given as a virtual joining, and job location is Pune, that is compulsory we have to go to Pune. So interview process is there are two rounds, that is pre-HR round followed by one or two technical rounds, and there will be a final interview. So now coming to the updates, this is the most important thing where you have to follow our group and you can join our Telegram group, and these links have been given in the description, because I will tell you why you have to join our Telegram group. In our Telegram group we will be posting at least two job opportunities every day, so you can get it at free of cost. So now coming to the link. So this link has been given in the description. Also the promo code has been given in description. So you can refer to that. If you click on the link, it will take you to a window where you can apply for this job role at free of cost using this promo code. So I will be clicking on the link now in the description. It has been given below. Please refer to that. So it will take you to a window here. So here it is asking you the 99 rupees, but if you use the promo code, it's a free of cost job. So now checking out the job, here again click on next. Give your full name and the contact details, because I will be contacting you if anything is required. So now we have to enter the promo code. As you can see, after entering the promo code, the job will be at zero cost. So you can click on proceed to payment. So now it will take you to a window where you can click to continue, and again if you click that, it will directly take you to the window where you can apply for this job role. So here also they have mentioned few things, that is the links about the company in detail. You can go here, go through the company details, the designation, and the roles and responsibilities, mode of joining, date of joining, salary, job location, interview process. And in the section here, they are asking you to upload the CV or the resume. So you have to choose the file here and upload your resume. Then after that, after uploading, you have to click on submit assignment. So and also they are asking your photo to upload because the company will be asking for later. So if you upload it here, we will directly send it to the company. So next we will be going to the registration form below down here. So here in the registration form, you can see there will be a form displayed if you click that. So you can fill these requirements, everything, the email address and placement's email address. If placement's email address is not there, you can just write the write your personal email address as well. So USN number and your full name. USN number is the thing where it will be given by your college. The roll number, it can be said it as a roll number also, or by your university. So the mobile number, current location, where are you staying now currently, then your gender, then currently pursuing degree, then branch, college name, then you have to mention your 10th, 12th and degree percentage and the communication skills. So and after that you have to click on submit. So once you click the submit button, your response will be recorded with us and it will be stored with us. So after that it will be directly sent to the company. So from there they will filter you out based on your marks and all. So after filtration they will conduct the interview process. So now if you have any doubts you can leave a comment below. So I thank you. Thank you guys for watching this video and with your all patience. So if you have any doubts you can comment below. So thank you very much.